So with your business plan in hand, it's now time to make sales in your business, because you're not in business unless you're making sales. And there's lots of great ways now in which you can get your product or service to market. So maybe make sales at things like farmers markets, through pop-up shops, at trade fairs. But of course, also remember that you can sell a lot of product or service now online through powerful sales platform websites like eBay, Alibaba.com, which is a very effective international trading website. But maybe you're making handmade goods, and in which case sites like Etsy and notonthehighstreet.com, these are really powerful sites that enable you to upload your product, pay a very small listing price, but get access to potentially millions of customers in the UK, but also overseas.
My first sales actually were on eBay. I made a bag, thought I must be mad, put it on and sold it to a lady in America, and I thought I'm onto something.
With sales coming into the business, it's time to promote your business and let everybody know that you're in business. And technology has been a key enabler to help people become an expert in their field and get their message out to a very big audience. So embrace social media, sites like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, very important, but also sites such as Pinterest are becoming increasingly important for businesses because it enables you to show your business off in a very visual way.
I use social media quite a bit. I use LinkedIn for various contacts. I use Twitter an awful lot to just tell people what's happening and to make some connections. I also blog as London Mummy. I promote my business primarily actually through word of mouth. Where I live here in Chiswick, there's a really good sort of demographic of my sort of target market, and I take part in things like NCT fundraisers. We have a Chiswick Summer Fair every year. So I find that once people have seen the products, they then sort of translate to an online customer, and then they will spread the word for me.
Don't forget the art of traditional kind of marketing in terms of writing a press release, getting to know the journalists that cover your industry or news, and getting out and about to speak at events and to get your name known. Most businesses that I see started at the moment are started on a bootstrap of a budget, so you can start a business for less than £500. We've spoken about social media, which is all free or low-cost technology, and if you don't need that much kit to get started, hopefully you won't need that much funding. But if you do find that you need finance, there are schemes and projects that are available. So the government recently launched something called Startup Loans, which is for anyone under the age of 30 who looks to access a loan of up to £2,500. Check out things like Shell Livewire, so they offer monthly awards of £1,000. And the great thing when you access their funding is you get lots of profile on the back of it. Also look at crowdfunding websites, which are becoming increasingly popular. So sites in the UK such as crowdcube.com, seeders.com is becoming increasingly popular, and now we've got the good news that Kickstarter, which is a big US crowdfunding website, has also moved into the UK market.
Initially, well, I had no money, so I literally bootstrapped from the ground up. So I started making products myself and selling them and selling some of the fabrics just to raise a little bit of money, which I then just kept putting back into the business, made some more, just kept putting it back in and grew it that way.